Howdy do, everybody. I'm gonna show you all how to make some lemonade. So you gotta cut this in half. Howdy do, there we go. Alright, so we got our 3 lemons cut up. Take our glass and oh shit. Oh, fuck. That's our first one. Now here's our second one. God damn it. So, spilled some right here. Yeah, and I did all the lemons off camera. Now, what we gotta do is, take our water. Just kind of kill off some of the sour taste, you know. Alright. We put some water in there, and then we took, we took some sugar. I'll show you all again. Alright, there's a lot of sugar in there now. I just put some sugar in off camera, and then I just put some in now, so, yeah. Alright, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take a spoon, and we're gonna stir that bitch up. It's okay if you have seeds in there, just don't fucking drink them. Just gotta keep stirring, you guys. Oh, shit. Don't worry, we got like 2 more lemons over here. Now when you don't hear any like little scraping noises, that's like the sugar. That's how you know when you're done, and the seeds are at the top. As you can see, they weren't at the top before. We got a little mesh to clean up, so you know oh shit. Alright. We're gonna do a taste test now. See how good I've done. Got it right here. Say, that's pretty good.